Very good afternoon, all of you. So today we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are basically there are six trigonometric ratios. First is sine, then cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent. So these are the six trigonometric ratios which is being defined on right angle triangle. Now, what do you mean by right angle triangle? As you can see it in the picture, we have a right angle triangle ABC, which is having at least one angle as 90 degree. So 90-degree angle is being represented by this symbol as it is being shown. And there is one acute angle. Now, opposite to this acute angle, opposite to this acute angle will be having a perpendicular side, which is being marked by P. And opposite to this 90-degree angle, we have the longest side, which is being termed to be as hypotenuse. And the remaining one, which contains the base of hypotenuse and perpendicular, it is being called to be as base, represented by D. Now we are going to define these ratios as sine. So first is we are going to define sine. Sine is being called to be as. So now to understand this ratio and to learn about these ratios, we have a very simple chart that I'm going to demonstrate you. Starting from the sine, it is the ratio of any given angle or defined as the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So first of all, we are going to define sine as, it can, in short, it can be written as SIN. It can be defined as perpendicular, that is P, over hypotenuse, that is H. For this particular right angle triangle which I have made, it will be equal to perpendicular is AB and divide by hypotenuse is AC. So this is how we'll define sine. And then the next is cos, so, or cosine. So cosine can be defined as the ratio of any angle is defined to be as the ratio of base to the hypotenuse. So we are going to define cos or cosine, can be, in short, it can be written as COS, that is equal to the ratio of base, that is B, over hypotenuse. So here in diagram, the base is, let me get back to the diagram. Here in diagram, as you can see, the base is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So it is the ratio of base, that is BC, over hypotenuse, that is AC. Now the next trigonometric ratio is tangent, or it, in short, it is being written to be as TAN. TAN is being defined to be as the ratio of perpendicular to the base, that is P over D. Here from the diagram, P is perpendicular is AB and base is BC. So it is the ratio of AB over BC. Now similarly, we'll be defining secant, cosecant, or cotangent. They are like secant is opposite of sine, cosecant is opposite of cos, and cotangent is opposite of tangent. So as we have defined sine, cos, and tangent, their opposite, the ratio opposite will be equal to, for sine, it will be equal to hypotenuse over perpendicular. Secant. Secant will be equal to hypotenuse over perpendicular. Similarly, cosecant will be equal to hypotenuse over base, and cotangent is equal to base over perpendicular. So this is how we are defining this trigonometric ratios for right angle triangle. Thank you so much.